Jai Srimannarayana. 39th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yacchapi sarvabhutanam bijam tadahamarjuna न तदस्ति विना यत् स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम्। ओम Sri Krishna Paramatma is the essence of all beings. Realize that there is nothing mobile or immobile, including you, that can exist without Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines, which is going to be the most effective puja for the day. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall realize that you are the essence of all beings. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall realize that, including me, there is nothing mobile or immobile that can exist without you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu 10th skandham, Dasama skandham, 149th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Nalakubara Manigriva, they were enjoying in the waters along with girls, Narada Maharshi came down there and he recognized their situation. Then what happened is, all those girls, because they are all devatas, tam drishtva vridita devyo vivastraha sapasankitaha Vasamsi paryadhuhu shighram vivastranaiva guhyakau. They were bathing without having any clothes. They have seen Narada Maharshi. They felt that if we are like this, Narada Maharshi would definitely curse us. Like that they got scared, and immediately they took their clothes and put on their clothes. Whereas the Kubera's sons, Manigriva, Nalakubara, they did not care Narada Maharshi. They were standing there naked in front of Narada Maharshi. Then Narada Maharshi felt that these are sons of Kubera. They should not be behaving like this. It is not good for them, being Devata's sons. So in order to not have this kind of behavior with these Kubera's sons, I have to do something. I have to give a sapam, curse. Tayoho anugrahardhaya sapam dasyan idam jagau. Only to bless them I have to give sapam. Only to correct them I have to give this sapam. Like that he decided, and he is saying like this. The arrogance comes out of richness, the wealth, that will really destroy man's intellect. There are some other ways that man becomes arrogant. By being born in a great caste, upper caste, and by having so much of knowledge, by having beautiness, handsomeness. These ways also man becomes arrogant. But more than this, the arrogance comes out of having wealth. That will destroy man a lot. And there is no vidya, there is no any education, but he is rich. That will destroy him a lot, and that will lead him into so many bad habits. He will spend all of his money into bad habits. Like that Narada Maharshi saying. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 39th shloka. Yachapi sarva bhutanam bijam tadaham arjuna na tadasti vina yat syat maya bhutam characharam. Yachapi sarva bhutanam bijam tadaham arjuna na tadasti vina yat syat maya bhutam characharam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.